Poy Erram is a Filipino professional basketball player for the TNT Tropang Giga of the Philippine Basketball Association. He was drafted 15th overall in 2013 by the Talk and Text Tropang Texters. Erram was born in Makati. His father is a soldier while he never saw his biological mother after he turned 2 years old. He came from a broken family with 11 siblings, but they had different mothers. When he has 12 years old, his father moved him and his siblings to Villanueva, Misamis Oriental, as he was assigned there. Before high school, Erram joined a Milo Olympics tournament in his province, where he met coach Arvin Martinez. Martinez taught him the basics and took care of him. He then brought him to play for Pilgrim Christian. There he got a scholarship with a free dorm. In 2016, he was invited to be part of the Philippine men's national team for the FIBA Asia Challenge Cup. In 2018, coach Yang Guo picked Erram to play in the Asian Games. He then got to play for coach Guo again during the 2019 FIBA World Cup qualifiers. He had a chance to play in the World Cup but sprained his ankle in practice. As a result, he was one of the final cuts on the team. Erram was included in the 21-man pool of the Philippines for the 2023 FIBA World Cup. In a 2021 Governors Cup win over Rain or Shine, Erram had 15 points.